In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email newsletter kit. We're going to walk through the full process of writing your newsletter, choosing who it goes to, and then either sending it right away or scheduling it for later. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system you can use every time you're ready to email your audience. First, let's write the newsletter itself. Start in your email platform and head to the Send section, then open the Broadcasts area. This is where you create one-time emails that go out to a specific group of subscribers. Look for the option to create a new broadcast and click on New Broadcast. You'll now be asked to pick a template. Choose the email template you've already created for your newsletter kit. This might include your logo, brand colors, and your usual layout. Using the same template every time helps your emails feel consistent and professional, and it also saves you from rebuilding the design from scratch. Next, type your subject line. Take a moment here. The subject line is what convinces people to open your email, so write something clear and specific that reflects the main value inside the newsletter. After that, move into the main body of the email and start drafting your content. Use the plus icon to add elements like images, buttons, or personalization. For example, you can insert a first name merge tag so your email greets each subscriber by name. This small touch can make your messages feel more personal and engaging. As you write, keep your paragraphs short and use clear headings so your readers can quickly scan and find what matters most. Once your content looks good, it's time to filter your audience. Click Continue at the bottom right of the screen. You'll see a section that asks who you'd like to send this to. If you want to send the newsletter to everyone, you can leave this as is. But if you'd like to target specific people, click Edit. Here you can choose particular tags or segments, like new subscribers or buyers of a certain product. When you're done selecting your audience, click Update to lock in your choices. Now it's time to send or schedule your broadcast. First, review the recipient count to make sure it matches what you expect, and preview the email to catch any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. If you're ready to send immediately, click Send Broadcast. If you'd rather schedule it, click the pencil icon next to Send Now, choose the date and time you want, and then click Schedule Broadcast. Your newsletter kit is now ready to go, and your email will send automatically at the time you selected.